So it's a stick shift car, so as soon as I let off the gas, it wants to stall.
So I'm gonna go ahead and make these changes. So this was 15% this way. Here, I'm gonna go to 600, then to here, I'm gonna go from 50 to 200 RPM above. And then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna hit save on these changes. So we'll see how these play out. So I just increased my base idle timing from 12 degrees to 15 degrees. I'm not at temp yet, so I want to pace myself here. I'm gonna hit my drive-by-wire, pedal versus throttle. I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna move this up a little bit. And now you can see this drop, and listen to how it smooths out. Do you notice too, it's not hunting anymore? You don't see the up and down, up and down. All right, I think it's time for a test drive. So the stalling coming to a stop sign is all but ended. So we've corrected that. When I let off the gas, it comes down to an idle. It's running a little bit high, but it's way better than it was. It literally used to just stall. So I'm coming down to 900 RPM. It would have just died. I'm still sitting around 1,000 RPMs, a little bit high, but you know what? It is so much better.